Hello everybody, and Ben Gray is back again in town, and in this video here, we're gonna have a look at this villain with so many holes. He's Hoover. Now, as you can tell by his weaponry, he utilizes these big, emotion blades, and if that was one enough, he also has these wrist blades of positive emotions and daggers of negative emotions. And he has a lot of strengths, like he has disgust, aura, and sadness, adjustment, and happiness empowerment, and aggression kinesis, which I think has something to do with anger manipulation, and he has fear empowerment, and he has other emotion control, empowerment, embodiment, inducement, and aura, and absorption, and augmentation. And you can separate positive emotions from negative emotions. And you can also close his holes and open them when using these things. When he's closing them, he has enough strength to carry on, but when he opens them, he's using them with strength at full power. However, his main weakness is that he wants to gain strength from positive emotions. We want to feel negative emotions. And force fields can be very harmful to him, unless he uses emotion-based intangibility, of course, or shape-shifting, regularity of the But other than that, I'm Benjamin Gray, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching and for your time.